How do you add or slash subtract polynomials? And then they give us an example which says 4x minus 2x squared minus 7xy, and that's in parentheses, that's a one expression, plus 2x squared plus 5xy, and that's the other polynomial. And how do we add those, Becca? Could you
Gotcha. I definitely can help you. Big thing in math, reoccurring theme over and over and over again. Doesn't matter if you're in kindergarten or if you're in high school. One big theme in math is the fact that you can only put together and you can only combine like terms. And this might drive you crazy just because if you don't know what like terms mean, you're probably hearing this from your teacher a lot. Like terms mean terms that have the same ending or the same label in a sense. I'm going to highlight terms that have the same ending in the same color. So this 4x, I'm looking throughout the rest of this polynomial. I don't see any other term that has just one x at the end of it. So that's the only one there. Then we have negative 2x squared. So that means in the rest of my thing, I'm looking for anything else that says x squared. So this one also says x squared. Then this last one here, minus 7xy. I need to also find something that has xy on the end. And so this is going to be it. Now this is something I suggest doing if this is a topic that you're struggling with. One of the things that I've seen work really well is actually getting out a set of highlighters and coloring in or highlighting each term that has the same ending or each thing that is alike. And then it makes it a lot easier when you actually do have to put them together. So we'll start with this first one, this 4x. You can see there's nothing else highlighted in yellow. So there's nothing else that is a like term as 4x. So that's going to stay as 4x. Then the next one we're looking at is negative 2x squared. And you can see that there is one other term in this polynomial that has an x squared at the end, and that's 2x squared. And so when we put negative 2x squared plus 2x squared, we actually just get 0x squared. And so we don't need to write anything if it ends up being 0. They end up canceling each other or going away. So none of those. And then the last one is this negative 7xy. Well, negative 7xy also has another term that has a similar ending, 5xy. And so we're going to put those two together to get negative 2xy. And so what you're doing, and then in the end, is we put together things with like terms and we keep things separate that don't have like terms, and then anything that cancels, they go away. And so then this is our final answer. It's just when we simplify it, that's what we get. But use those highlighters. I've noticed that when students are struggling with something like this, get highlighters out, a set of them out, and actually color code things that have the same ending. That's what like terms means. So there you have it. Hopefully that helped.